Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2020 Kia Niro Touring. This is the normal Niro, not the plug-in or the EV, but it is just as cool and fuel efficient. Love the LED running lights. It is on right now. When you're in park and the battery's charged enough, it can just stay on while it's idling. Exterior color is known as deep cerulean blue over light gray, and a total price of $29,545. As you can see, you can fold the rear seats down. So you have to open it from the inside. Yes. So it's your normal screw cap. There's no charging port. If this was a plug-in, it would have the charging port right here. However, this is a hybrid where the car charges itself. Also, because it's dead silent, when you put it in reverse, so people know that you're backing out of your parking space. Give me a little bit more. 70, that's good. Everything is LED in here. So we think this one isn't done either. Nope. Without further ado, let's go ahead and go for a drive. If warranted, the gasoline motor will pop in and out just to help keep the battery charged, or if you need additional power. What's nice is most electric cars don't do this, but this one, if you lift off the brake, it will creep forward. In drive, the paddles adjust how much regen you want. You can have very little regen, level 1, 2, or 3. I like to keep it in 3. It's just a little bit cooler to be able to charge the battery while you're going. Obviously not the fastest car in the world, but it's definitely not the slowest. What's nice is that electric motor really helps with the instantaneous torque. So where the gasoline motor is still waiting to get fired up and ready to go, you have the torque of the electric motor. And in sport mode, they really work together to provide as much power as possible to the road. So coming up to this roundabout, I'm just going to use the regen for braking. Actually, a little bit too much braking. There we go. Never touched the brake this whole time. Once you go into sport mode, your display and everything changes. Sport mode can also be used as kind of like a charging mode, because in sport mode the gas motor stays on almost all the time, which will help you charge that battery. Due to the battery being down low, it handles really, really well. Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next video.